Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Brave's Diva Aryns Tears MXM27 and 28. I've started off with Peel Ease as my base coat, and here is Brave's Diva Aryns Tears. These are some beautiful polishes from her. So I'm going to go in with my first coat, and this is a Jelly Lake polish. It's very sheer on that first coat and very easy to work with. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. It's got some shimmer and sparkle and just prettiness in it. Hi Woody, how you doing? And then we're going to go in with the second coat. And these polishes were all created in memory of Tara's grandmother that was a painter. And so all of the polishes from this collection were inspired by paintings that were done by her grandmother, and they're all from like the Southwest, and I just loved that theme. So there we go with another coat of Aryns Tears. Woody's back again, cleaning up my mess. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat, get it to dry down. So we can do some stamping. Got some stamping in mind. So there's a photo of it on its own. And here we go with MXM27 and 28 from Maniology. I got Maniology's Luna, as well as my Bundle Monster stamper and a bunch of other stampers. AliExpress, Conad. Got my Beauty Big Bang scraper out. We're just going to start pulling up some images. So I am going to do some reverse stamping or advanced stamping today, and some regular stamping because, you know, I'm going to get all carried away today. But I did 2 of those first images, and I'm going to do 3 of this one right here. And I'll be using this Maniology Turquoise, and there we go, Turquoise. And then MJ Lacquer's Elizabeth Rose to fill in these images. So this one's kind of like a sun with 2 little moons on the side of it. I'm just going to fill in parts of it with the pink and the turquoise. I'm going to set them aside and let them dry, but I really was hoping this one would just turn out as, you know, the bomb diggity. And I ended up liking it, but I think we ended up having to work with it a little bit. We'll see. I am using the same polishes to fill in the designs. I kind of want the, you know, manicure just to work together, look a little cohesive. So I am going to clean off my dotting tool on a paper towel and then change colors. This turquoise is so pretty. Looks great with that pink. So I am filling this in, getting all crazy with it. Oh, and that little stone came out of one of my Mani Me boxes. It's like a little stone palette. I really like it because it's easy to clean. When I get done, I just take my cotton ball and some acetone and swipe over it, and it just comes all off. So I'm going to get a little bit of that turquoise up at the top of this image. I'll be using the Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls today as my sticky base. I get asked quite frequently how long I wait. I don't wait. I normally do this like super dry brush over the top, and then I just go right in with the stamping. I mean, I don't do any waiting around. Now some of that didn't take, and it's probably because I didn't get my sticky base up close enough to the cuticle because I was trying to be neat. So I'm going to have to go in and put some sticky base on there. I've even pulled the stamper out thinking maybe if I could just mush it good enough it would go, but it won't. See how difficult it can be sometimes? You're not the only ones that have troubles. We all do. So I'm going to break that sticky base coat out again, and I'm just going to put it up there where I need it, up near that cuticle area. And while that dries just for a second, I'm going to plop this one on because I don't want it drying out before I get to it. And then now I'm going to go back in with those 2 little bits that I'm going to try to get onto this nail. Struggle bus, y'all. Here we go. But it ends up working, so I don't have a problem with the struggle as long as the results are good. There we go. Yay! Got them both on there. See? I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and some acetone and clean this up. Now, all that struggling to get that little bit up there, but here I go. I'm cleaning it, and I'm taking most of it away, but I really did want some of that green still up near the top of the cuticle. So, in the end, I was happy with the save, the rescue, the resuscitation of this. I'm going to top everything off with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And once it is totally dry, which doesn't take any time at all, I will be putting on a regular top coat. So I will be using Poshe today. It is a long-time favorite of mine. And I'm looking at it while I'm putting this top coat on, and I'm thinking, it just really doesn't look like I expected it to. The images aren't very defined. They're like washed out kind of. Still pretty. So here's my swatch photo. Still thinking it needs more. So I'm going to go back in with Game Over. And go back over these images and just stamp over the top of it with black. Just to kind of make it a little more defined. Like, y'all been seeing me doing this here lately. I've been on the struggle bus some, so when you do that, for me, I just keep going. Just keep adding to it until it works out, or it doesn't. And then I'll just take it off and start a new mani, you know, because it's just nail polish. So here we go. I'm going to use that little tape to get that excess. But I really do feel like adding the black outline to everything, it really did make it pop more and look better, in my opinion. And I'm going in with that tape and getting up some excess. So, nice save on that. Here we go. We're going to go in with our cleanup brush and some acetone and do a little tidying up. A little bit of cleaning. Not too much though, not too crazy. And I really do like how this turned out in the end. So, you know, sometimes the struggle's worth it. I will top it again with the smudge-free top coat. You know, I seal it in again without smearing it. And then again with the Poshe. I know you guys got to think I'm just off the wall crazy sometimes, but I just don't quit playing until I'm done, you know. So here we go with that top coat, and this is going to finish this one off. I will have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and anything else you want to chat about. And I will see you on the next one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.